How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My boy Craig's supposed to be coming around here, edit some videos. I know he gonna have something smart to say. I always got something smart to say. But we're gonna see what he talking about. Speaking of the devil. What's going on, Craig? What's up, boy? What's up? Good?
You ride that bike.
Alright, I'm chilling.
What? You ride that bike.
What?
You don't ride?
I'm not selling this bike.
You might as well sell it. What's
Nah.
my second road?
What you mean I do ride? I ride a little bit. It's been a little bit since I rode, but this thing ain't going nowhere.
Exactly.
I do. Let me show you. Told you, he only ride a little bit. He said he ain't ride that thing in a minute. He done stormed off, got mad. So I told him to sell that thing, knowing that he don't even ride that bike. Hopefully they give him a little motivation to start riding when his weather break. But since he's gone, I'll take over for a little bit. I appreciate y'all coming to the channel for all y'all support. More content will be coming soon, and we'll holler at y'all later. Also, before I forget, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna stay on him to get the content to me. I'm gonna keep editing and keep y'all getting y'all videos that y'all want. So, with that being said, hit that like button, hit that follow button. You know what? Make him give you that content. And I'm gonna keep it rolling. Hey, don't tell him I said this though. He ain't gonna see it until, I'm the editor. He ain't gonna see it until I put it out. He'll be all right. He'll figure it out one way or another. Y'all be safe out there.